welcome. You're watching Ask Profit on NDTV Profit, and I'm your host Malika Mishra. Along the next 1 hour of the show, we'll be taking up all your queries, so don't forget to call us on the numbers flashing on your screen. You can also reach out to us on WhatsApp. Both the numbers of WhatsApp and the landline numbers where you can call us for your queries are on your screens at the moment. And before I begin with the show, I'd like to introduce the guests for this particular evening. Mahesh M. Ocha, AVP of Research and Business Development at Hensex Securities, joins in on the fundamentals, and Ravi Singh, SVP of Retail Research at Religare Broking, is joining us on the technical front. Welcome both of you, gentlemen. Thank you so much for joining us on Ask Profit and answering all the questions that we're going to get of our viewers. I'll query, again, a WhatsApp query. This is from Dinesh Gala. He's written to us from Mumbai. He holds 154 shares of Z Entertainment at 2,850 a piece. The stock has been pretty volatile, with the stock down almost 50% YTD. And since he's bought these at 154 rupees a piece, he's in loss. So, Ravi, I'll come to you for this. Should he hold on to this particular counter or sell?
My suggestion is take exit of this counter, because on technical chart is looking weak, and you may see also the 1 week return is a 5% negative, and 1 year return is about to the 50% of negative side, and chart is also not supporting that this point of time. But yeah, little bit as a bounce back, so they can exit at around 145 levels, but definitely there is an exit call.
Okay. And Mahesh, how the technical side? I'll take up another WhatsApp query from Preetam Das. He's written to us from Delhi on WhatsApp. He's bought 30 quantities of Asian Paints at 2,500 a piece. He's asking for a medium-term guidance. Now, LIC recently increased its shareholding in this particular company by 2 percentage points, but the stock per se has given no profits in the last 2-3 years. It currently is trading below our viewers' buying price at 2,396 a piece, if I'm not wrong. Mahesh and Ravi, both, I'll come to both of you on this. Ravi, I'll start with you. What is your analysis of this particular counter?
See, recent days, whatever the past performance is showing a clear-cut downtrend, but I hope at this point of time is 2396 level is now the attractive level, and you may see some bounce back till 27 or 2750 level. So if longer-term prospects, then definitely the position would hold with the stop loss of 2250 levels for the target of 2750. But in shorter period, there is some pain, but I think they can convert their position to long term. At least long term is 3 to 6 months, and you may see stock in recovery.
Okay, and Mahesh, what is your view on? Hi Nitin, good evening. This is Malika. Please tell me your question.
Actually, ma'am, मेरे पास NBCC के 267 shares हैं.
अच्छा.
267 80 के रेट में.
ओके.
मुझे ये जानना है कि मुझे इसमें ऐड करना चाहिए या फिर अब इसको लॉन्ग टर्म के लिए होल्ड करना चाहिए.
ठीक है, तो कुछ सवाल आपसे पूछूंगी. आपने ये 267 शेयर एक साथ खरीदे या धीरे धीरे स्टैगर करके खरीदे?
मैडम, ये मेरे वन टाइम में मैंने लिया हुआ था, वन टाइम 80 रुपीज में.
ठीक है, और ये कब खरीदा आपने?
मुझे अभी हो गया समथिंग 1 ईयर.
Okay, 1 year हो चुका है. Okay, so NBCC shares, the stock is trading at 11.7 times its book value. Ravi, I'll come to you for this. What is your perspective on NBCC? How does it look on the charts?
See, right now it's trading about around 100 rupees, and this is the attractive level, and bottom out is 88 level. So 100 रुपए से 88 levels जो है ये attractive level है इनके लिए, and you can also add some more quantity in this stock, because in longer prospects you can see the level of 150 to 180 levels in coming days. So till April end or till May you may see these levels. So this is the good opportunity to you can hold your position and add on also.
Okay. And Mahesh, could you please also, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear clearly.
So please go ahead with your question.
I have some shares of Geo Financial Services. I'm a long-term investor.
Okay.
I just want to know what is the fundamental or what is the technical part of the future of Geo Financial Services.
Okay. And so at what price did you buy this particular stock?
I bought it at 270.
Okay. And how many shares did you buy?
I bought 1,000 shares in one go.
1,000 shares in one go. Okay. Got that. So Dr. Desai has bought 1,000 shares of Geo Financial Services in one go. The current price of this particular counter is 340 rupees. He's asking for both a long-term and a short-term perspective. So, Ravi, let's go with the short-term first. How does this particular counter look on the chart?
Yeah, Malika ma'am, this counter is looking very attractive, and I always say to my client, whenever you got an opportunity to 325 to 300 level, you just add as a SIP, because this stock have a good potential to achieve the target of 480 levels in 1 year. So in chart is also consolidating around to 325 to 300 levels and hit the level of 345. So this is the opportunity where you can add or you can do SIP on this stock and for the target of 480 in 1 year. So longer term prospects, definitely you hold and add also.
Okay, so you can add. That's a positive outlook on this particular counter. Mahesh, good evening. Can you hear me?
Yeah, good evening, ma'am. I hear you.
Good evening. Please go ahead with your question.
Ma'am, I'm having IREDA 150 share at the rate of 258.
258 rupees. And when did you buy these shares?
4 months before, ma'am.
Sorry?
In the month of July, I bought it, ma'am.
Okay. And why did you buy these particular shares?
IREDA actually fundamentally and technically it's good. But later, once I bought it, it will come down. It's starting to come down.
Okay, got that. So, Ravi, I'll come to you for Indian Renewable Energy Development Agency. This is a particular stock that our viewer has bought, and he bought it at an expensive price, especially as compared to the price that it is trading at the moment. The current price is at 216. So, do you think that he should hold on to this particular stock, or should he sell this off?
Malcolm ma'am, I have two suggestions for whatever he choose. First, you just hold this stock, but it will take time. It will take 6 to 8 months to recover their price. That means 260 or 250. So put the stop loss of 185 rupees and hold it. There is a one suggestion. But if you want earn early returns or you want to change this stock, then there is a one opportunity to NHPC. You can just add on that stock, or you can take exit from ELDA and add NHPC. NHPC is trading at 85 levels. So you can buy double quantity, and the NHPC target would be the 110 and the stop loss would be the 100. Stop loss would be the 80 rupees. So risk reward ratio is better compared to the NHPC. So you can just switch his position to take early returns.
Okay, got that. And Mahesh, because renewable energy is such a talked about, us called Lakshman from Andhra Pradesh. Hi Lakshman, good evening. Could I please know your question?
Yeah, good evening. Actually, I am holding Reliance Industries stock at the price of 1,310 rupees, 100 stock.
Okay.
I wanted to know the view after 6 months holding it.
Okay. Got you. So our viewer has bought this particular stock of Reliance Industries. So he's bought 100 stocks of Reliance Industries at 1,310 apiece. He's asking for a short-term view of 6 months. So Ravi, I'll come to you for this. What is your take on Reliance Industries? How does it look on the chart?
See, in a shorter period, the technical setup in Reliance Industries like RSI and MACD and Williams R is in neutral zone and suggesting some downward channel. So you may see 1220 to 1200 levels, but I hope that is the bottom level. So in 3 month view, definitely it will take time, but longer prospects, the stock would again touch the level of 1400 levels. But this point of time, in shorter period, you may take an exit with the stop loss of 1240 levels.
Okay, got that. Again, viewers, keep calling us, and on that note, we have our next caller joining us called Manoj from Bhilai. Quickly, I see that the stock has jumped significantly since its July levels. So do you agree with Mahesh's view? Should he exit this particular counter?
Yeah, definitely Mahesh is rightly said that. But my point is that this stock is not for the long-term prospects. So every investor should be aware this type of stock. There is a lot of volatility, and you may stuck some upper side levels or maybe downside levels. So for long-term prospects, definitely this stock should be exit.
Okay, so from the long-term perspective, you should exit PC Jewellers. Is the view coming in? What about you? What is your view on Kaynes Technology?
सी मैम, मैं तो इनको यही कहूँगा कि एक बार ज़्यादा लालच नहीं करना चाहिए. So point of time where you can book at least partial profit. You have a 25 share, so book partial profit about to 10 or 15 share, and once you may see some correction about to the 6,700 level, you can enter again. But the good strategy that book partial profit, but overall stock is in uptrend, and you may see the target of 70-50 level very soon.
Okay. Got you. So we have our next caller joining us called Kamal, and our viewer wants to know if KRN Heat Exchanger and Refrigeration is a good stock to purchase. He's wondering because he reckons that the stock is trading at an expensive price, and could it correct any time? So should he wait for a attractive buy price, or should he buy it already?
Yeah, this point of time, stock is trading about to 786 level and is little bit higher side. So you may see the correction of about to the 100 or 120 rupees. So attractive price, or you can say that a good price to buy is about to the 720 to 700 levels. So you should wait for this point of time, and there is a lot of another stocks. They have a huge potential to give return from the current market price, but this stock I think you should avoid.
Okay. Thank you so much for that answer. Now, viewers, it's refreshing to get all your calls. Please keep calling us as we try and answer all your calls one by one. And on that note, we are being joined by Venkat. It's the first international call of this evening. He's joining us from Dubai. Hi, Venkat. Good evening. Please tell us your question.
Hi, good evening, everyone.
Good evening.
So I have a IDFC First Bank. I bought it very long back after demerger. I got 1,250 shares. Now I'm into loss of 18% loss. So, and also I bought a private bank ETF, invested 1 lakh amount. So what my question is here it is, shall I tell IDFC First Bank shift that amount to private bank ETF? Because of IDFC First Bank is a part of private bank ETF also. So is that good suggestion, or shall I hold it IDFC First Bank for long term?
Okay. Got that view. So
the quantity at IDFC First Bank quantity I have 1250, and on the average price 78.60.
Okay, and if I may ask, when exactly did you purchase IDFC First Bank stocks?
In 2022.
Okay, 2022. Am I hearing that right?
Yes, right.
Okay, got that. So viewers, as you can see on your screen, IDFC First has been pretty flat in trade today, and our viewer holds 1,238 shares of IDFC at 78 rupees a piece. The current price is lower than the buying price at 64.3 rupees a piece, and the chart also looks it has been traded. The 1-year chart has been trading with a downward bias. So your take on this quickly?
I should wait for this stock, because this stock is now is very attractive level, because downward channel is now completed, and there is a strong support at around about to 60 rupees, and it may see you may see again 84 or 85 levels. So in technical point of view, there is on daily chart there is some flag pattern. So I should wait for this consolidation, and I also invest 6 to 8 months more in this stock for the target of 84 rupees.
Okay, got that view. Now, on that note, we have our next caller joining in.
To all of you. My query is, I sold Ola Electric at the current price, that is 95.90 today. So I have checked that recently it was trading at the price of last month at the price of 60 or 70, and then it was bounced back from that level. So can we see 70 or 75 levels again in the next 2-3 months?
Okay. And at what price did you buy, you said?
I bought at the price of 105, but today I booked the loss, and now I'm waiting to buy at lower levels.
Okay. So Ravi, since you're our technical expert, I'd like to take this question to you. Our viewer seems to have some liking towards Ola Electric, but he has booked losses on this particular stock at this juncture. What are your recommendations?
Anup sir, you did everything is in a right way. So this stock is now trading at resistance levels, and you may expect the 75 level. Then I can say that in next 3 months you may see the 72 or 75 levels. But my suggestion is don't invest in this stock at this point of time, or whatever is 72 or 75, because overall structure is looking weak. So you may see some bounce back, but that bounce back is not sustainable. So this point of time, I suggest you should avoid. There is a lot of stocks is trading 90 or 100 rupees. There is a one stock is IDBI Bank. Earlier, Maheshji suggested Bank of Maharashtra, and another stock is NHPC. You can invest at this point of time, and you may earn in next 3 months at least 5 to 8% in these counters. So my suggestion is that just leave the Ola and buy these stocks.
Okay, got that view. So it is a buy on NHPC, but a sell on the other one. Cool. So we have our next caller joining us, called R. Shankar Rao from Chennai. Good evening, Shankar. Could you hear me? Ravi, this particular viewer holds 100 shares of MapMy India at 1,900 a piece, and he's asking for a 6-month to 1 year perspective. How does it look on the charts?
Recent high is at 2200 levels, and from 2200 level we have seen some correction. But this point of time, Ram Prasad ji, I'll suggest you just wait and watch and do some average also, because this stock is long-term prospects is very good, and you may buy again if you have a fund 1600 to or 1650 levels and sit tight, you can say that, and for the target of 2200 level to 2400 level. So in 6 month or 1 year prospects, definitely you should hold, and please add with the stop loss of 1400.
Okay, so it's right now a hold on this particular counter. On that note, we have our next caller joining us, called Kiran from Hyderabad. Hi Kiran, good evening. Please tell us your question. End of the show, what I'm going to do is, I'm going to club all the WhatsApp queries together and ask each of you your stance on this. So if you have a hold, buy or sell, you can tell that in just a word. Okay? So let's start with Rajesh. He sent in a query on Mazagon Dock. So Ravi, what is your take? Hold, buy or sell?
Hold with a stop loss of 4800 for the target of 5400.
Okay, and Mahesh, your view?
Exit.
Exit, okay. The next is PTC, Power Trading Corporation. Ravi, your view?
Hold with a stop loss of 158.
Okay, Mahesh, your view?
Hold.
Hold, okay. The next up we will take is Paytm. What is your view, Mahesh?
Hold.
Hold. And Ravi, you?
Exit at this point of time.
Okay, okay. Well, that's about it. We are towards the end of the show, and I'm afraid that's all the time we had on Ask Profit. Gentlemen, thank you so much for joining us and answering all the queries, being such a sport. And viewers, you can also keep sending in your queries, although the show is over, but we're always here. Call us, WhatsApp us, we're here. Watch Ask Profit both morning and in evening. Thank you so much, and stay tuned to Ask Profit. Also NDTV Profit.